Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 8 CBSE Maths Factorization Exercise 14.1. Question number 3 in that first two subdivision we are going to see in this video. Let's see the question factorize. So we need to factorize the given polynomial. Here it is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. There is no common element in all the four. Actually factorization means we need to write and multiply. We need to take the common elements outside. There is no common elements there. Take any two terms. Here if I take the first two and the next two, I have common elements. Here in the first two I have x and the second two I have 8 as a common element. So if you have any common elements, if there are 4 terms, take common elements from two terms. If I take x outside, I know that in both the cases I have common element x. The least power you should come outside. Here the least power is 1, so I have taken x outside. Here 1x have come outside means another x will be written inside, plus as x have come outside there is one y, so y. Plus the same way here I am taking 8 outside. If I take 8 outside, 8 has come outside, so x will be inside with the same sign y. The main thing of taking two common outside means the bracket should be same. The single condition is that the bracket should be same. If the brackets is not same, even the sign should be same. If it is not same, you need to change, you need to regroup the terms. So you need to take the other two terms. Now write the common bracket once and the rest in another bracket. So no need to draw this line, I am just telling you. Write the common bracket once and the rest in the other bracket. So factorize means we need to write it in multiply. This is multiplied with this. So we have factorized the given polynomial. This is your final factorization answer. We'll move on to the next sum. The same pattern it's here. We have 4 terms here, 15xy minus 6 plus 5y minus 2. Here if you see we have a common term. If you see this 2, we don't have a common term. That means we need to change the group. As I told before, if it is 4 terms and there is no common element in all the 4 means we need to group take two terms, we need to take the common element outside. So I am regrouping this. I am taking this 2 because it goes in 2 tables, it goes in 5 tables means I am regrouping. I am just changing the place and writing. Changing the place means we are changing in this side itself, so no need to change the sign. There is one confusion with everyone that whether we need to change the sign. No, we should not, because we are not taking this 2 equal to that side. We are changing the place on the same side itself, so no need to change the sign. Here if you see this 2, we know that 5 is common. Here this can be written as 5 3s are 15 and this is 5. So we know that in this 2 for the number 5 is common. For the variable y is common. So taking 5y common outside, we have taken one 5 outside means we have 5 3s are, so 3 inside. X, there is no x outside, so x we need to write it inside. Y has come outside, so no need to write y. Plus already 5y totally it has come outside means write plus 1. This everyone will forget. We need to write 1. If everything is come outside, we know that the factorization, if there is no common, then we need to write 1. So we should write 1 here. As I told before, bracket should be same. So write the bracket first, then think of the number. This will be very easy while doing your common outside. I know that the bracket should be same. So I have written the bracket first, then thinking of the number, what will be come outside. Here we don't have a minus sign inside the bracket. So minus sign, 3 into 2s are 6. Now you multiply and check. Minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6. Here plus into minus minus, 2 1s are 2. Now as I told before, the bracket is same and even if I multiply it's correct. So write the bracket once. So here it becomes 3x plus 1 and the rest in another bracket. So 5y minus 2 will be in another bracket. So this is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.